Hey guys, it's Paul. I am going to give you, as quick as I can, a full introduction to Acuity scheduling, a place where you can book appointments or sell classes, sell group classes, and schedule it so that everybody can see your availability. This is an introduction though, it's not a full how-to guide. It's really just to show you what can be done, what features Acuity have got, and whether you think you might want to go forward with it. What I'll do is I'll put this video and some other training things on how to set it up in a full free training program on my website. And that's a place where you can ask questions, and you can ask questions on this video as well. And that's what I ask at the start of my videos. It is nearly ended middle of July 2020. If you've got if you pause me at this point and tell me why you're here, tell me what you're looking for, tell me what you're hoping to find in this video, and if I don't answer it in this video, I will reply to your comment and I will point you in the right direction to something that you may be looking for more specific. So just pause me, tell me what you're here for. It helps me year in, year out, making these videos better. And then we'll get into it. Finally, if this video, my free training course, gives you any benefits, so you enjoy them, a subscribe would be amazing. And we'll dive in. Oh, let me just add as well, I will itemize, timestamp the video, so you don't have to consume it all in one go. You will see little chapter lessons within the description or across the bottom of the video. You will see different areas where I talk about different things. So you can skip to different parts that are more reflective for you, or you can see where you were when you come back. Don't take it all in one go, but I will do it as fast as I can.